Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in historic Erie, Pennsylvania, home of the Erie Bronze and Aluminum Company. Erie Bronze and Aluminum is a sand casting foundry that produces American-made castings for a variety of our essential industries. They manufacture lead-free bronze castings used by the U.S. military and industries such as oil and gas, aerospace, power generation, marine, municipal water, and food and beverage. They are known worldwide in the glass container industry and supply components used to create some of America's most iconic food and beverage containers. The team at Erie Bronze and Aluminum prides themselves on understanding each specific requirement needed to manufacture top-quality castings while providing the highest level of customer service. With the use of their in-house spectrometer, they are experts in allowing a variety of different metals to get exactly the chemistry needed for every job. This year they celebrate the biggest technological advancement in company history with the addition of a state-of-the-art DISA match plate molding line for making bronze components in the 5 to 75-pound weight range. This machine is known around the world for its unparalleled quality, precision, and speed. Erie Bronze and Aluminum also manufactures aluminum tubes and rings, rough machined, and used in turbo compressors as labyrinth seals, bearings, and bearing housings. If you're looking for a quality supplier of bronze sand castings, glass container molding components, or aluminum tubes and rings, come visit Erie Bronze and Aluminum today at eriebronze.com. This is Alan Ackles here for Manufacturing Marvels.